Right, I'll do. Right, the second part of the man cave project is we need to make some space. And there's a lot of stuff needs moving in here. And we're going to start by first getting the Minx car running. And then we're going to get the motorbike running. And then we're going to change places and put them outside so we can work in the space that's left. So we can get rid of some stuff. Right, let's have a look at the next bit. Right, we're going to get that going today, get it started and get it going. Hopefully, get it back in this position here. Then, we're going to get this old girl going. You can see an old motorbike under there, German, done in German colours for films. We're going to get that going and move that down one bay. Put the Minx in this bay. Then that should leave me some space to get some tattle out, take its picture, decide whether I'm keeping it, throwing it, selling it, giving it away, and hopefully in a couple of months time we'll have got all this empty, and then we'll be able to start on that cave there. It's going to be a studio. This one here is going to be a workshop. I'm going to get some lights on it, and in the far corner at the back is an office, and round the back of that is a workshop, is a storeroom. So we're going to have my work cut out. Right, couple the battery up to it and prime the fuel up. Might have to just alright, have a look down the fuel, see if we get some fuel. Not sure if you can hear it. Now this is only hot wired because it needs rewiring, so just couple a bit on there. This has not been started for a year, I think. We'll see what happens. It's a bit windy out. Can smell fuel, so we're getting close. So I'm going to have to put you on tripod to operate choke and everything. Can't do it with one hand. Right, just checking the spark. I've got the feed to here. Just flicking the points. We should have a quite got a really bright spark. You can just hear it. A little flash down here. So we're getting close. Fuel running out of here. Right, I've had to go and get some fuel. I think we were running out of fuel. Just connect the coil back up. Sound just needs tuning up a little bit.